If you have been curious to know if your identity on WeChat has been fully approved or not, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to check it out if your WeChat ID or identity information has been fully approved in order to enjoy all the features in WeChat wallet and other features in WeChat account. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on WeChat or on Alipay, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure link on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alipay, AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce platform or web, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account or WeChat wallet like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your WeChat identity has been fully approved. So let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. The next thing you need to do is to go to Wallet. The next thing you need to do is to click on ID Info. Then here we go. From the point right here, it's going to write Verify. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat, WeChat Pay or WeChat Wallet, it's as simple as that. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.